Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to source for the latest trends and events in the cryptocurrency world. Today, we're diving deep into Cardano ADA and examining whether the rising total value lock TVL could trigger the next big breakout for this popular altcoin. Let's get started. Cardano has been a hot topic in the crypto community, known for its innovative approach and strong development team. However, it has been underperforming during the recent market recovery. Despite the broader market showing signs of life, ADA has faced some significant resistance. While Bitcoin surged from $55,000 to $68,000 over the last 2 weeks, many major altcoins have seen substantial recoveries from the June correction. However, Cardano's price analysis reveals that a key resistance level is still preventing buyers from regaining full control over this asset. Amid the market's recent bullish turnaround, the prevailing downtrend in Cardano's price formed a lower low of $0.316 on July 5th. This marked a potential pivot point as ADA experienced a significant 44% surge, reaching a high of $0.457. Despite this impressive rally, the price was unable to surpass a downsloping trend line on the daily chart. This dynamic resistance is part of a channel pattern that has maintained a stable downtrend for ADA over the past 3 months. The channel pattern, characterized by 2 parallel trend lines, continues to exert considerable influence over Cardano's price movements. These trend lines create a kind of roadmap for traders, helping them understand potential support and resistance levels. While many major cryptocurrencies have enjoyed prolonged recoveries over the past week, ADA's price has shifted sideways, struggling to break through the channel resistance. This consolidation period suggests that Cardano is at a pivotal moment, where a breakout or breakdown could signal the dominant force in the near term. To understand the current situation, it's helpful to look back at Cardano's historical price movements. ADA has had its share of ups and downs, often influenced by broader market trends and specific developments within its ecosystem. For instance, past announcements about upgrades or partnerships have led to significant price spikes. Conversely, delays or setbacks in development have sometimes resulted in price drops. This context is important for interpreting current trends and potential future movements. As of now, Cardano is trading at $0.43, with a market cap holding steady at $15.4 billion. Despite the relatively flat price movement, there are positive signs emerging from the ecosystem. It's worth noting that market cap is a crucial metric for understanding the overall value and stability of a cryptocurrency. A higher market cap generally indicates a more established and trusted asset, although it also means that substantial price increases require significant capital inflows. One of the most promising indicators for Cardano is the significant increase in its total value lock TVL. TVL in Cardano has risen from $172.78 million to $238.5 million, marking a substantial 38% increase. This growth typically reflects an expanding adoption of decentralized applications, dApps, and a greater commitment of capital to these protocols. Essentially, more users are locking their assets in smart contracts, which is a bullish sign for the network. TVL is a critical metric in the world of decentralized finance DeFi. It measures the total value of assets locked in smart contracts on a blockchain. A rising TVL indicates increasing trust and participation in the network's dApps. For Cardano, this means more developers are building on the platform, and more users are engaging with its services. This not only enhances the network's utility, but also drives demand for ADA, which is required to participate in these dApps. The rising TVL suggests that ADA buyers have an opportunity to flip the overhead trendline into potential support for a higher rally. If Cardano can break through this resistance, the post-breakout rally could push the asset to $0.52, followed by a potential climb to $0.56. However, if the downsloping trendline continues to hold, Cardano's price analysis hints at another possible reversal within the channel pattern. The Daily Relative Strength Index RSI currently sits at 54%, indicating a neutral to bullish sentiment among market participants. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. An RSI above 70 typically indicates that an asset is overbought, while an RSI below 30 suggests it is oversold. At 54%, Cardano is in a balanced zone, suggesting there is room for growth if buying pressure increases. Additionally, the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands is showing an uptick, indicating that buyers are active and there is potential for increased volatility. Bollinger Bands consist of a moving average and two standard deviations plotted above and below it. When the price moves towards the upper band, it indicates that the asset is experiencing higher volatility and potential overbought conditions. The uptick suggests that buyers are pushing the price upwards, which could lead to a breakout if sustained. To understand the potential price movement of Cardano, let's break down the key resistance and support levels. The immediate resistance is at $0.457, which is the upper trend line of the channel. Beyond this, the next significant resistance lies at $0.52, followed by $0.526 if the breakout is strong. These levels are critical as they represent points where selling pressure could increase, making it harder for the price to rise further. On the downside, if Cardano fails to break the channel, the key support levels to watch are $0.40 and $0.35. These levels have previously acted as strong support and could provide a safety net for ADA prices. If the price falls below these supports, it could signal a more bearish trend. The growing TVL reflects increasing confidence in Cardano's ecosystem. More developers are building on Cardano and more users are participating in its dApps. This adoption is crucial for long-term growth, as it drives demand for ADA and strengthens the network's utility. Positive market sentiment, driven by both technical indicators and fundamental developments, can lead to sustained price increases. It's also important to keep an eye on upcoming developments in the Cardano ecosystem. The team is constantly working on improvements and new features, which could further enhance its attractiveness to developers and users. Any major announcements or upgrades could act as catalysts for ADA's price movement. For example, the successful implementation of smart contracts was a significant milestone, and future upgrades could similarly boost market confidence. For investors, the current scenario presents both opportunities and risks. If you're considering entering the market or increasing your ADA holdings, it's crucial to watch for signs of a breakout above the $0.457 resistance. A confirmed breakout could be a strong buy signal aiming for the $0.52 and $0.56 targets. On the other hand, if ADA fails to break the channel and reverses, it may be wise to wait for a better entry point or consider hedging strategies to protect your investments. Diversification and risk management are key strategies in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. In conclusion, Cardano's price is at a critical juncture. The rising TVL and growing dApp adoption are positive signs, but the key resistance levels must be overcome for a significant breakout. As always, keep an eye on the technical indicators and market sentiment to make informed decisions. That's all for today's deep dive into Cardano's price analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you bullish on Cardano's future? What price targets are you eyeing? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay crypto savvy.